Hello friends! Just look what shapes we have here. And we are going to learn shapes and colors today. This is a cloud. Alright, this is a drop. This is a clover. This is a pentagon. This is a flower. And this one is a ball. Alright, so let's color all these shapes. So as it's raining outside, I'm taking gray color for the cloud. Alright, so this one is a gray cloud. The next one is a drop. Oops! For the drop, I'm taking blue color. Alright, and now we have a blue drop. For the clover, I am taking green color. Alright, we have a green clover here. For the pentagon, I am taking purple color. Alright, this is a purple pentagon. For the flower, I am taking yellow. Alright, this is a yellow flower. And for the ball, should I take brown or orange? I'm taking brown. Alright, and we have a brown ball. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.